Hello, right now I will explain what a behavior tree is and why you should use it for your own AI in the most simple way possible in the world. Imagine you have a car with no windshield wipers. Your car can do anything except clean its windshield. Isn't that sad? So what do we do about it? We of course buy and install the windshield wipers. Now your car has a magic ability to clean its window. No way. You basically added a new behavior to your car or ability. It is the same with behavior trees. We have an NPC who, while in a firefight, don't know how to take the cover. You can create a behavior for it to just take the cover. After that, you can take that created behavior and put it into the mind of that NPC. That mind consists of the tree structure called behavior tree, and the behavior is a node of that tree. Let me show you how it works. This is an example of a very simple fighting behavior of the weakest enemy in Precursor Universe. Each enemy has different behavior tree that increases or decreases its difficulty, something similar to Halo, which makes it fun. What is good about it is that I can reuse some of the behaviors they have to multiple other types of enemies or friendlies by simply attaching that node to the tree of the NPC I am editing. So let's get into the code. After that I will show you the best way to edit and create behavior trees in C#, which is intuitive. I like to create extremely simple classes that I can just hop in, fix, add, update all in short time. I do not need complex classes. So far this gives good performance. You saw at the beginning of the video where masses of ships are shooting at each other no problem. Since this is written in Godot, you will see classes like Node2D and such. This whole behavior tree base will work anywhere with minor adjustments very easy. Behavior tree base is a base class of NPC behavior tree from which every NPC should derive from. In Precursor Universe, each ship has a Node2D that derives from behavior tree base such as this one.